Welcome to the section Implement View Order History feature. In this video, we will learn how to write code to allow the customer to view their order history. This is the last use case in the front end. After the customer has placed an order, he or she should be able to see the order history to check the status of the order, such as processing, shipping, or delivered. And this is the use case diagram for the feature view order history. The customer can view order history, including list of orders and view order details. From the customer's menu, the customer can click the hyperlink My Orders here to view the order history. As you can see in the website, here the hyperlink My Orders here. After the customer logs in, he or she can click on this hyperlink to view the orders he or she made